Temperate rainforests appear on the coastline backed by mountains, resulting in a buildup of clouds which cause the land to receive almost all of the moisture as rainfall. Temperate rainforests usually occur at lower elevations to support the warm climate and to collect moisture that runs down the slopes of the mountains. The biome is usually found at altitudes more than 30 degrees away from the equator or in the temperate zone in areas such as Vancouver and New Zealand. As the name suggests, temperate rainforests receive a large amount of precipitation, often accumulating over 300 centimeters per year, resulting from about 100 millimeters of rain in the summer months to almost 400 millimeters of rain in the winter months. The temperature averages anywhere from 5 to 25 degrees Celsius, depending on the region. The biome's temperature is also regulated by ocean currents, including El Niño and El Niña. As a result, seasonal temperatures only fluctuate within the range of about 10 degrees Celsius, dipping in the winter months and rising in the summer months.
Due to the large amount of precipitation received, temperate rainforests feature very tall trees, like the coastal redwood growing up to 40 meters tall. In the temperate rainforest, there is a mixture of evergreens like the Douglas fir and Sitka spruce, and deciduous trees, for example, the bigleaf maple. It's really a diverse place, with trees ranging from small seedlings just starting out to ones that have been growing for hundreds of years. Resulting directly from this, the temperate rainforest can be seen as having many layers. Because of the wet climate, many epiphytes can be found here, that is, plants that grow on other plants. Mosses drape themselves on trees in a commensalistic fashion, and allowing them to receive more sunlight, moisture, and nutrients than what is available on the forest floor, while doing no apparent harm to the tree. Lichens can be also found clinging to trees. They are essentially a fungus and algae living in a mutualistic symbiosis, with the fungus receiving sugars produced by the algae in return for protection from the weather. On the forest floor, shaded from the sun, many species of fungi can be found, taking advantage of the huge amounts of biomass, which are materials made by other living things.
Here, organisms like newts, salamanders, frogs, and slugs, throughout birds, are also highly diverse in temperate rainforest. Did you know that the blue grouse and the Clark's Nutcracker are birds that are only seen in Canada's temperate rainforests? Many of the birds here have beaks specially adapted to eat the abundance of nuts and insects. Many animals that can be found here include black bears, raccoons, cougars, elks, and deers. While some animals, such as bears, have adapted physiologically to hibernate in the winter, others, including deer, actively seek food by digging under the snow with their sharp hooves to feed on shoots of green plants. Speaking of food, the snowshoe hare, which tries to not become food, structurally adapted by changing its fur from brown to white during the fall.